So hello guys, thanks again for coming back for a new video. I saw that a lot of you had a big interest in one of my other videos when I reviewed the car launcher. So today I propose to you to show you a new launcher that I found. Okay, so in the last video I presented to you car launcher, which is something similar to the BMW launcher, and it's simple and easy. Today I have a different launcher. It's also called car launcher, but it's car launcher AG, and it's much customizable. So it looks like this, and yeah, as you can see, you have more features here, like sorry, I don't know if you can see because the sun is shining. So yeah, you have radio, navigation, music, phone, internet, and apps. You can connect it to the Bluetooth. You have a big clock in the middle, and this one can be really customizable. You can change everything here. It depends on the head unit you have. So if you go in the settings, you can also change the logo of your car. You can see here if you want to show it or not. You can toggle out the speedometer, the colors of the buttons. You can also change the background. The buttons that you have on the first page, you can customize, put any application you want there. Also the weather can be shown, the speed, the stop time. Of course, for this you need to have internet access to take benefit of all the features. But yeah, overall I think it looks good. So if you hit music, you have to, it says not configured, but you can put your own music player. And yeah, here's some music. Let's try to customize at least the music player. Okay, app, and we will choose for this power amp. Okay, and now if we hit music, power amp starts, and we can. So you can see it's very easy to use. Of course, you can link the phone icon to the phone color on your tablet or phone. Yeah, the radio, the navigation, you can put any type of navigation application you desire. So as you can see, it's very customizable. Let's see how the background can be changed. So you have some suggestions. Let's use the metal one. So yeah, from the start it looks very good. So yeah, I hope you like this small review. For sure looks very nice in the car. You can go ahead and use also both car launchers. It depends on your taste. For me specifically, I like the original car launcher because this looks better and more clean. But yeah, it depends on your taste. I hope you like this small review, and yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.